In previous lectures, we mentioned this model. SIPOC stands for Suppliers, Inputs, Process, Outputs, Customers. Is a process mapping tool which is used in business improvement to visualize a high-level overview of a process, defining who provides resources, suppliers, what's needed, inputs, transformation steps, process, what's produced, outputs, and who receives the results, customers. How about we're gonna take a good look at this model in detail. SIPOC, suppliers, inputs, process, output, customers. Once again, process mapping tools used in business improvements in order to visualize a high-level overview of a process, which defines who provides resources, suppliers, what's needed, inputs, transformation steps, process, the production, what is produced, outputs, and who receives the final results, which are customers. It creates a shared understanding, classified roles, and helps identify areas for improvement by mapping the entire value stream from start to finish on a single page. The 5 elements explained of SIPOC model. Suppliers are people, systems, or even organizations that provide necessary inputs. Inputs: materials, data, resources needed for the process. Process: the core steps that transform inputs into outputs. Outputs: the products, services, or results of the previous process. And finally, customers: the final recipients of the outputs, could be internal or external. How this model is used? For process definition, because it summarizes a process boundaries and key components, as improvement tool helps teams identify inefficiencies, waste, or gaps in the processes. Foundations for Six Sigma, because it is used in defined phase of DMAIC to establish a common language and scope. And let's name next model, which is copies.